Wrong oil. Wrong capacity.
Hey man, super excited for your first day?
Yeah.
Awesome. One thing, turn that cap right around, then we can get started.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
I saw the video online. You saw it, right? You saw that video too. But I really needed the job.
He's inexperienced, but I love training him. All right, man, you think you can find 4631?
Yes, sir.
No, not quite.
Yes, sir.
No.
That video was probably fake. He was really patient with me.
Hey man, all done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Awesome.
But what's this?
That's the drain plug. You should put that on like now.
Oh, but I think he's gone.
Wait, what?
He left the shop.
Awesome.
Wasn't the other guy supposed to come in? Where'd that guy even go?